See how on the pushing end of this, I'm pushing and stopping, bumping into that where the border line is. I'm just kind of using it as a bumper. That's the reason that I leave my borders until the very last thing to clean up, because I've got all these bump marks where I've been pushing into it. I was watching a video by Midway one time on restoring a Model 11 Remington, and Larry Potterfield said to cut your edges, cut all your borders to full depth first. I'm not going to say I disagree with him. I'm just saying that doesn't work for me. If he has enough control to stop pushing when he hits that edge, more power to him. I'm envious, but I don't have that much control. I need that little bit of wood there to bump into. So I leave my edges till the very last thing and clean it all up at once. Overruns are your worst enemy. Overruns will make it look bad, even if it's good and straight and all your lines are clean and everything else. If everything's good and you have overruns, it still looks bad. See, this end is not quite so hard because I'm actually starting with the back of my cutter. See right there at the very back end of the cutter? I'm starting with that and pushing. I'm lining the back of that cutter up with the edge of this pattern and just pushing away from it. So you're not going to have overruns when you're pushing away from your border. You have overruns when you're pushing toward it, and for one reason or another, usually lack of control on my part, you bounce out past it. And they do look ugly. This is my next to the last cut. I'm going to come back and cut it one more time this way with a single cutter and just do it very lightly and just clean it up, because this is my next to the last cut. I'm going home. It's late, it's dark, and this lets me know where I'm going to start again tomorrow, because when it's this far close to being finished, there's not a lot of difference in that and that. So I'm going to start right there and come back this way.